Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I've been away from the shed for 2 or 3 months. Just got back home about a week ago. Trying to get caught up on things around the house, and got a little bit of a backlog with the install stuff, so I've been working on that. But I did get this package from MacRail last week, and I'm gonna open it up. I believe it's the new communications tower that I'm going to put together, and I'm going to replace one of the ones that I have in Valley Falls. Along with this, I mean, it looks good. It's from what I'm seeing from the package, it looks great. The detail looks nice and clean. And then we also have this came in another box, but I just threw it in here to make one video. This is the extra 20-foot extension, because this one here, this is a 50-foot tower, and I actually need a taller tower, so we sent along the extra 20 feet. So we're gonna get on this and put this all together, and I'll put another video together of that down the road here. So all right, that's it for now. Really not much has happened. Actually, before I let you go, one other thing did happen here. Let me put the lights on. There we go. While I was away, I was thinking about this switch over here. Originally, this is the Denison Industries, and we were having an issue over here with the number 4 switch in here. It was because it was really coming in a really super S curve in here, and depending on what tan cars I was bringing in here, some of them didn't like it at all. So this was one of the things I decided I was going to do when I got back, and I did it. I got back a week ago Wednesday, and I started working on this like 2 days after. I had some other stuff to catch up with, but I did put this number 6 switch in here. And I gotta tell you, it made a world of a difference. I mean, it flows so much nicer. I don't know why I didn't do this in the beginning, but I was trying to save some space, and I made a mistake. So I fixed my mistake and replaced the switch, and now it works great. So, but that's really the only thing I've done, except having an op session this past Wednesday night to try to get back in again. But yeah, I'll be bugging out again for about another month. So that's about it for now. Hopefully when I get back, I can get back into things again on a more steadier pace. So anyway, okay, that's it for now. Take care. Later.